In this video, I show you how to sew the running stitch. The running stitch is the simplest stitch to sew two fabrics together by hand. But you can also use the running stitch to baste. For example, when you want to sew a zipper to a fabric. To sew the running stitch, you need two pieces of fabric. I have prepared a whale shape from felt. You also need a thread that is already threaded into a pointed needle and has a knot at the end. I want to hide the knot between the two pieces of fabric, so I stitch the first stitch up between the two fabrics. Then I start the running stitch. I stitch down and immediately back up. Then I pull the thread through the fabrics. I make sure that the stitches and the spaces between the stitches are nice and regular and not too big. Also, the distance to the edge of the fabric should always be about the same. I stitch down and directly back up and pull the thread through the fabrics. Make sure that you don't pull too hard on the thread. Otherwise, the fabric will pull together. When I have sewn regularly, the running stitch looks the same from both sides.